We had done the front angle vector in our previous video. Now we will use the same process to vector and rig the 3/4 angle of our character. We will create a group and select the rectangle tool. We keep the thickness as 2 and select the fill as none. We then draw the rectangle as seen in the video. Using the selection tool, we start tracing the face. We curve the lines using the selection tool. We use the sub-selection tool for more control on curves. Please follow the video. After that, we will move ahead to trace the back hair of the character. We will use the same process again. We will draw a rectangle and use the selection and sub-selection tool to make curves to the shape. We will then trace the front hair, which will be above the face of the character. We use the oval tool to draw the circle of the eye. We then copy our eye and paste it in place and move it over the other eye, drawing as seen in the video. We will then slightly scale down the eye using the free transform or scale and rotate tool. We scale it down by 90%. Similarly, we trace the nose, mouth and the ears of the character. Please follow the video. We will trace the neck as seen in the video. While tracing the torso, we will add a V shape to the upper part as seen. This part will have the same color as skin. While tracing hands, we will treat the hand as a single shape at first. Then we will add a line which will separate the arm and forearm. We select the forearm shape and press Ctrl X to cut and create a new group and paste it in place using Ctrl Shift V. Please follow the video. We add a small circle to the elbow using the oval tool as we had done in the earlier video. We can copy the same circle in the other hand and both the legs. Can also duplicate the circle holding down the Alt key and dragging the shape. Please follow the video on how we trace all the body parts of our character. We will now fill the color in each shape using the Paint Bucket tool. We had forgotten to trace the zipper of the shorts, so we will do it now by adding a new group as done in the video. We will add a highlight to the eye as seen in the video using the oval tool. We will adjust the shape of the right leg's shorts so that the line will not be visible behind the zipper shape. We will delete the top and the left line of the zipper after filling it. After that, we will convert each part into a symbol using the F8 key on the keyboard. We will select all the parts of head and name it head as a symbol. Then we will enter it and select each group and convert into a symbol again. We will select all the parts of hand and name it hand as a symbol. Then we will enter it and select each group and convert into a symbol again. We do this for the other hand and both the legs also. The last step will be to rig the character, which involves setting the pivot points to each symbol. The pivot point is set based on the point around which the symbol rotates. For instance, head rotates from the neck, so its pivot point will be near the neck region on the chin. Please try to think about pivot points by yourself to get a better idea. You can move your own body parts to determine the location of the pivot points. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.